Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you're doing great. We are from Maqbool Solutions, a registered IT company. In today's video, we'll be talking about something super important, the stock report part 2, specifically the low stock report and expiry report in the all-in-one point of sale, accounting and inventory software, eSalesAnalyst. If your business deals with stock medication or products with expiry dates, or if you want to check reports by company, product, or supplier, this video is for you. So let's dive in. Low stock report. Ever wondered which items are running low and need to be reordered? No worries, we've got you covered. Just follow these simple steps. 1. Go to the Start menu. 2. Click on the Low Stock Report button and boom, the report will show you items that have dropped below your set stock limit, the minimum quantity required, the available in stock. Categorized reports, company-wise, product-wise, or supplier-wise. Want to save the report? You can. Want to share it via WhatsApp? You can do that too. Need a PDF export? Done. Filtering low stock report. Need more specific insights? You can filter reports by company. Get reports for a specific company. Supplier. See stock details from a specific supplier. Product category. Filter reports by product type. And guess what? The software even gives you automated alerts. If stock falls below the limit, the system highlights the items in red so you don't miss out. Expiry report. Running a pharmacy, veterinary store, or any business with perishable products? Then this report is a must-have for you. How to generate an expiry report? 1. Click on the expiry report button. 2. Set the number of days, e.g. 180 days, 120 days, or any custom period. 3. Hit the generate report button, and just like that, you'll get a detailed report including batch number, location, quantity available, expiry date, status expired or expiring soon. You can also generate reports for specific companies like Abbott, Hilton, or any manufacturer, or filter by suppliers like Mehron, Maqbool, and more. This way, you can make quick decisions about stock clearance or reordering. Automated expiry alerts? Worried about selling an expired item by mistake? No problem. The software automatically warns you in the billing section. So before you finalize a sale, you'll get a notification to prevent loss and legal issues. How cool is that? Conclusion. With eSalesAnalyst, you can avoid stock shortages by tracking low stock reports, get automated alerts for better inventory management, prevent expired product sales with real-time notifications. So if you need custom software for your business, don't wait. Contact Maqbool Solutions Software Company today. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore even more amazing features. Until next time, take care and goodbye.